Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wyld. Today, I am just a freaking moron. I can't tell you how long of a list that I have to deal and how much catch up I'm playing at this point, while at the same time trying to catch up with other updates and other things that I have to do. There are other levels of back end shit that I'm still working on. What I wanted to do was talk a little bit about some of the legal things that I wanted to talk about because something emotional came up for me. And I'm going to be honest, there was an emotional thing that triggered me and made me want to really work on this script that I had. And I'm still working on it. But because the lawsuit is still ongoing, I can't really post it or really go too much deeper into it than that. Like, that's as far as I can really go right now. No, I could go one more step. It's not about anything gig economy related. It's personal. It's other business shit that I have to deal with and is very important to deal with. But that's kind of the point too, is that I'm trying to play catch up, work on the partnerships I'm trying to work on, like handle the things I need to handle, email the people I need to email. And I should be doing all of that, but instead I'm focusing on this script that I definitely should not have been working on, if I'm being honest. So that was my choice to be childish and irresponsible in that way. One of the things that I did end up doing was asking ChatGPT to help me pick out some video ideas, right? Like, what's a quick video idea that I can make in just a single few minutes and I could just have it posted, right? Like, super simple, one take, one post, that's it. Holy shit, did it come up with such good ideas that I could go for hours on. So a quick heads up for what you can expect during this upcoming week. Why you should never get too comfortable with one gig app. Gig work isn't what it used to be. I have a bunch of articles that I still have to react to. And I have an announcement coming on this week about ezCater tip verification. So all of that is coming soon to a gig channel near you. I'm just on a series of overwhelm right now, and I don't even know what to do. I got scripts, I got articles, I got other shit that I need to work on. Like, I've never had to build things to this degree before, and I'm excited to get into it. It's one step at a time, and I know it, and I know I'm working on a lot of really good things for the gig economy. I just wish I had more time in the day, you know? Regardless, this is still an excuse video, so I'm not gonna do that many plugs. Just stay tuned for all of the good shit that's happening on this channel and on the Gone Wild live clips and podcasts. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.